Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Your go-to source for all things tech. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's as old as the internet itself, but still just as relevant. Computer viruses. What happens if your computer gets one? And more importantly, how can you bounce back? Let's decode the digital dilemma together. First off, what exactly is a computer virus? Think of it as the cold flu, but for your PC or laptop. It's a malicious software designed to spread from host to host, disrupting computer operations, stealing personal information, or just causing general mayhem. So, you've got a virus. Step 1. Don't panic, we've got the antidote. Step 2. Disconnect from the internet. This can prevent the virus from spreading further or sending out your personal information to the hacker's headquarters. Simply unplug your Ethernet cable or turn off your Wi Fi if you're not sure how most computers allow you to click on the network icon and hit disconnect. Next up, enter safe mode. Safe mode is like a quarantine zone for your PC. It runs the essentials and can help stop the virus in its tracks. Start your computer and as it's boosting up, press F8 repeatedly until you see the advanced boot options menu. From there, select safe mode with networking. Moving on to the next step, run a virus scan. This is where your antivirus software comes into play if you don't have one. Now's the time to get one. There are plenty of options out there, both free and paid. Run a full system scan and follow the instructions to remove any threats. Last but not least, step 5. Update and upgrade. Make sure your operating system and all your software are up to date. These updates often include fixes for security vulnerabilities that viruses exploit. And there you have it. If your computer gets a virus, it's not the end of the world. Follow these steps and you'll be back in action in no time. Remember, prevention is key. Always keep your antivirus software up to date. Be cautious with emails and downloads, and regularly back up your important data. That's it for today's episode. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.